Python request get URL, 200 response, no data. I am using the request library to do a GET request. I can get a 200 response, but it returns no data. It returns the object jobs but then nothing else. I am using the visualping.io API. I have successfully run curl commands, and success from browser URL. Here is my Python code. I have edited out my credentials in PHP session. I have also tried without the user and pass as headers, and just pass them in the URL like this. Again, this works from a browser and curl. For both of these, I get the following output. // print content, success, true, jobs. // print status code 200. // below is print headers. This URL. Here's an expected response from the documentation Git, API/job/list.
The docs you linked to for VisualPing's API say they only support HTTP basic auth, so try. Request basic auth docs.
JSON is a function, please try this one. So, you're just missing parentheses. You're accessing a method as you can see in your output.
If you want to see more, press consider subscribing.